Hello, everybody. Welcome back. So we've been talking about hypothesis testing, and we've hypothesis tested essentially one sample each, right? We'd have a sample to test some population claim about, or some claim about a population proportion, or we would take a simple random sample to test some claim about a population mean. Well, now what we're going to do is we're going to move into the case where we have two proportions or two means. Maybe there's a claim that's made that says one value is greater than another. For example, something such as, I don't know, that the average height of a player in the NBA is greater than the average height of a player in Major League Soccer. Those are two different populations, right? You have the population of NBA players, population of Major League Soccer players, and you're claiming that the average height in one league is more than that in the other. And so we want to test that difference. So we're going to look now at two sample hypothesis testing. And much like with one sample, we're going to start with proportions. So let's take a look here. Let's see, I'm gonna share that right there. Here we go. So here's a motivation problem. Johns Hopkins researchers conducted a study of pregnant IBM employees. Among 30 who worked with glycol ethers, 10 had miscarriages. Among 750 who were not exposed to the glycol ethers, 120 had miscarriages. At 0.01 significance, test the claim that the miscarriage rate is higher or greater for women who are exposed to glycol ethers. Now, glycol ethers, that's just some type of, you think of it as some type of lab alcohol, okay? And so what you have here are two different cases, right? Now, there's a miscarriage rate that's present out in the population, right? As sad as it is, it's just a fact that there is a certain proportion of pregnancies that are going to end with a miscarriage, just because we live in an imperfect world and our bodies do things that can't explain sometimes. But for whatever reason, independent of whether or not they're working with glycol ethers, there will be a miscarriage rate. The issue, though, is the miscarriage rate greater for those who were working with them than for those who were not? And that's what we want to investigate.